Hi, I'm Sam from Branded Threads in 84 PA, and I'm here at Printing United in Atlanta, Georgia, and I just bought a new press. In my shop, I'm currently running a 6.8. This press is actually configured in a 1012, so I'm going to have way more production capabilities, and I'm going to have 2 flashes, which now saves me from the unwanted revolver mode a million times around. Speaking of revolver mode, the press still does have revolver mode, but it also has a print flash print mode, and what that's going to do is you load the shirt, it's going to print on head 1, immediately flash, and then step back to that print head 1 again and print. So you want to use that for under 48 pieces, so you don't have to register a second screen and you're not going to run into any issues. One thing I really want to point out is just how quiet this machine is. This is running at full clip. As you can see, it's 1,161 shirts an hour, and this is how quiet it is. Another feature that this press has on the actual print head is going to be called the call feature. So instead of having to hold in a button and manually spin it around to whatever head you're printing on, if I push call on this head and then I'm on the other side of the press doing registering the job, it'll bring that head, it'll print and bring that head directly to wherever I push the call button. And it's going to make things way faster and way more convenient. With every purchase of this press, it's going to come with lasers and an optical shirt detector. The great thing about the laser is it's not a fixed laser system, so it's magnetic, so you can actually move it. So when you're doing maybe goofy high print or somewhere that isn't traditional, you can move the laser around. And with the optical shirt sensor, there's going to be no more printing on a really sticky platen that's going to ruin your screens, which I'm very excited about. There's so many great features about this print head. One of them that's very important is going to be the squeegee equalizer system, which means that you're going to have perfect, consistent pressure no matter what, because it's going to adjust independently. Almost, if you think of it like a cam in a vehicle, it's going to adjust like that. We have all of our micros up in here, and then we have all of our pressures on here, and as I already explained, we have the call button, we can move the pallets, and with this press you can also print in both directions, which is going to be great for water base because you can print from back to front or front to back, and if you're printing high density you can actually print both ways, so you can have it, you can put 2 squeegees on it and print this way and then print this way. So there's a lot of options, which is great for the way that the industry is moving. You never know what you're going to get into next. Another great feature is going to be called the high lift feature. So we just pop this out and lift the print head and put it into place. Now the reason that this is such a perk is we're going to be able to fix any pinholes very easily, and if we're switching out colors we can do a quick clean. And also with this unit you can push the flashes in and out instead of it taking up a print head, which is going to allow us to move our flash if we need it in head 2, head 3, which is really great. A really great feature that I'm very excited about. And then to put this down, it's super easy. Pop it out. And then pop it back into place and we're good to go. I almost forgot the most important thing. It is tri-lock compatible as well. This press will be to me in a couple weeks and I cannot wait, but until then, this is my new home.